Complete IC Computer Studies Input Units MCQ. Topical question and answers. Revision practice exam. Q. Which device is used for inputting text into a computer? The barcode reader. B. Touchscreen. C. Keyboard. D. Digital camera. Correct answer, C. Explanation. The keyboard is an input device that converts letters and other characters into digital data for the computer. Input units are devices that feed computers with data and information, including a keyboard. Q. Which device converts letters and other characters into electric signals readable by a computer processor? A monitor. B. Printer. C. Mouse. D. Keyboard. Correct answer, D. Explanation. The keyboard is an input device that converts characters into electric signals readable by the processor. Q. Which device allows a computer user to communicate with the system using typewriter area, function keys, cursor movement keys, and a numerical keypad? A mouse. B. Printer. C. Keyboard. D. Scanner. Correct answer, C. Explanation. The keyboard is the device that allows a computer user to communicate with the system using the typewriter area, function keys, cursor movement keys, and a numerical keypad. Direct quote from the text is a device which enables a computer user to communicate to the computer system. Q. Which device takes the longest time to master for efficient use with a computer? A keyboard. D. Mouse. C. Scanner. D. Touchpad. Correct answer, A. Explanation. It takes a lot of time to practice in order to type quickly and accurately. Quote from the text. Q. Which device is used to convert printed text and graphics into a digital form for further processing by a computer? A codeless mouse. B. Touchpad, touch-tone pad. C. Mouse stick. D. Scanner. Correct answer, D. Explanation. A scanner is a device used to capture existing documents in an electronic form for further processing or incorporating into other documents. Text. Q. Which type of scanner is used for scanning small objects like logos, signatures, and thumbprints? A hand scanner. B. Flatbed scanner. C. Text scanner. D. Film scanner. Correct answer, A. Explanation. A hand scanner is used for scanning small objects. Text hand scanners. These are used in scanning small objects, e.g., logos, signatures, emblems, badges, thumbprints, etc. Q. Which device is used for scanning commercial photos and pictures, while credit cards have magnetic tape strips for making transactions? A flatbed scanner for photos and UPC barcode reader for credit cards. B. Credit card reader for transactions and flatbed scanner for photos. C. UPC barcode reader for scanning products and flatbed scanner for transactions. D. Flatbed scanner for transactions and credit card reader for products. Correct answer, A. Explanation. The text states that flatbed scanners are used for scanning commercial photos and pictures, while credit cards have magnetic tape strips for making transactions. Q. Which device is used to read and send requests to a central computer based on the information encoded in bars with coded spacing and thickness found on most items in supermarkets? A barcode scanner. B. Cash register. C. Credit card machine. D. Point of sale terminal. Correct answer, A. Explanation. A barcode scanner is used to read and interpret the codes on Universal Product Code UPC labels to send requests to a central computer for pricing, identification, and accurate stock tracking. Q. Which device is used for detecting the presence or absence of a mark on a paper? A barcode reader. B. Optical mark reader. C. Microphone. D. Calculator. Correct answer, B. Explanation. An optical mark reader is used to detect the presence or absence of a mark on a paper. The text states, this device is used for reading answers to questions in an exam or survey. Q. Which device is used in banks to read checks? A. Optical mark reader. B. Magnetic ink character reader. C. Voice recognition device. D. Scanning machine. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Magnetic ink character readers are used in banks to read checks. Q. Which device is used to recognize words from a person and follow instructions? A joystick. D. Light pen. C. Voice recognition device. D. Terminal. Correct answer, C. Explanation. The voice recognition device is used to recognize words from a person and follow instructions. From the text, an example of its use is in a computer which opens MoneySafe if the correct password is said. Q. Which tool allows users to select items on a touchscreen by touching them? A light pen. B. Cursor. C. Touchscreen. D. Stylus. Correct answer, C. Explanation. The touchscreen allows users to select items on the screen by touching them directly. Source: touchscreen in Wikipedia. Q. Which device allows users to select options by touching the screen? A digital camera. B. Touchscreen computer. C. Ordinary camera. D. Printer. Correct answer, B. Explanation. A touchscreen computer senses user input by recognizing the location of a touch on its screen. Source touchscreen definition.